Alright guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. So we have this thing out here on the dirt roads today. I just rode it from there to here, and it's about the highest I've taken the RPM so far, and so far I've touched 8,000 RPM, and I think it's pretty well broken in now. We can kind of open it up more. So this dirt road is the road, it's got that one hill that my two strokes would kind of like bog down going up, and same thing with the life and motor, it would bog going up that hill. So I figured I'd bring it back out to here because I know this road. I've rode tons of bikes on this road, so I know how they kind of act, and I'm curious how this one pulls up that hill. I do have a 42 sprocket on it now. I took the 50 off it because it was just, it had a lot of acceleration, so I figured I'd just drop it down so when I'm cruising down the road, it cruises 35, 40 mile an hour like it's nothing. So I'm pretty happy with that. Plus, if I want to go any smaller with the rear sprocket, I have to redo the brake system because the caliper now is in the way. So I'm thinking here soon I'm gonna put some stuff up for sale, and I might have to get me a Gemini wheel that has the brakes on the other side, so it leaves the side open, and then we can play with some more gearing on this thing. But for right now, that's the smallest I can go. So we'll go ahead and get started. Oh, and I also just got this on here. This has your heat, your temp warning. So I have it set to 450. So if it gets up to 450, I can let it cool down until I get the nicer head and stuff, which I haven't even got it close to 450 yet. I haven't even got close to 300 yet. It doesn't seem to get that hot, unlike the Phantom motor. Every time I'd run that one, I'd overheat it and burn it up. That's why I blew two of them up pretty quick. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started. You guys will be able to see the RPMs this thing's pushing, and you should be able to see the temp. I think it's going to show up on there. But we'll go ahead and get this thing started and start heading down that way. I blew my hat off. So, on a dirt road, this thing does not really care. I saw 41, but it says 40.5 miles an hour right there. And that's on this dirt road. This thing just does not care if you're on dirt or pavement, I guess. It definitely, the temp only got to about 258. So, it's doing really good now. I think we'll, maybe, and that hill too, it pulled up that hill. It didn't really struggle getting up there. The other bikes would kind of they would do it, but as soon as they got to the top of the hill, it would kind of like act like it was, you're getting ready to have to start pedaling. This thing just kind of fought right through it and went up it. So we'll go ahead and take back off. I just had to stop for a second because I blew my hat off.
overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time. It's how you operate a cadence. So flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.